Welcome to this video on Gita GPT, an AI chatbot inspired by the Bhagavad Gita. In this video, we will explore the wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita and how it has been incorporated into Gita GPT to offer personalized guidance and advice on a variety of life issues. From relationships and career to health and spirituality, Gita GPT offers practical solutions and actionable insights to help you on your personal growth journey. Gita GPT is a novel AI chatbot inspired by the Bhagavad Gita, an ancient Indian scripture that has been revered for centuries for its profound philosophical insights. Gita GPT is designed to offer users personalized guidance and advice on a variety of life issues, drawing on the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita to provide practical solutions and actionable insights. The Bhagavad Gita is a 700-verse Sanskrit scripture that is part of the larger Hindu epic Mahabharata. It is widely regarded as one of the most influential and inspiring spiritual texts in the world, offering profound insights into the nature of existence, the meaning of life, and the path to true fulfillment and inner peace. The text is a dialogue between the warrior prince Arjuna and his charioteer and guide, Lord Krishna, who offers him practical advice on how to live a meaningful and purposeful life. Gita GPT draws on the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita to offer users personalized guidance and advice on a wide range of life issues, from relationships and career to health and spirituality. The chatbot is powered by advanced AI algorithms that enable it to analyze user input and offer personalized recommendations based on the user's unique circumstances and needs. One of the key features of Gita GPT is its ability to offer practical solutions to complex problems. Rather than providing abstract or esoteric advice, the chatbot offers actionable insights that users can apply in their daily lives. For example, if a user is struggling with a difficult relationship, Gita GPT might suggest specific communication strategies or techniques for managing conflict, drawing on the interpersonal wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. In addition to offering practical advice, Gita GPT also serves as a source of inspiration and motivation for users. The chatbot is designed to be engaging and interactive, encouraging users to explore their own values and beliefs and to develop a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Whether a user is seeking spiritual guidance, career advice, or relationship tips, Gita GPT is there to offer support and encouragement every step of the way. Overall, Gita GPT is an innovative and powerful tool for personal growth and development. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita, the chatbot offers users personalized guidance and advice on a wide range of life issues, drawing on the rich and profound insights of one of the world's greatest spiritual texts. Whether you are looking to deepen your spiritual practice, improve your relationships, or achieve your career goals, Gita GPT is there to offer guidance and support every step of the way. Thank you for watching this video on Gita GPT, an AI chatbot inspired by the Bhagavad Gita. We hope you found this exploration of the wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita and its application to modern-day life through Gita GPT insightful and informative. Whether you are seeking spiritual guidance, career advice, or relationship tips, Gita GPT is there to offer personalized guidance and support every step of the way. So, start your personal growth journey today with Gita GPT, the AI chatbot that draws on the timeless wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos on AI.